Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and I am TJ. I am coming back with you with another video. This time it's an unboxing. I had ordered, excuse me, a few things from the Happy Planner, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, and if you're a returning subscriber, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys, let's see here. Let me show you here what I got, because I'm trying to think of the name of the one. Oh, here it is. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is the snap-in cover that I received, or that I got. And then it's for a big snap-in soft planner cover, and this I'm going to be using for my budget planner. I just wanted to switch out the cover. Now, one thing I am curious about, I don't think it has pockets. So let me go ahead and open this up. Okay. Yeah. Nope, I didn't think so. It didn't have pockets, but that's fine. I have some extra folders that I can put in here. And so this is for my budget planner. And set this to the side. And then the second thing that I got was the Bright Florals Planning Mystery Bag. And guess what? See, pick it up here. It actually came in a bag. And I'm pretty sure I don't have this all the way in frame because of how big it is. But this is it. I think that's pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the things out that comes in here. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to set this bag to the side. Alright, I just want to make sure I got it in frame here. Alright, so let's just figure out how to open it. Okay, let me get some scissors here. Cut this open without hopefully not cutting anything else. There we go. Alright, so let's see. What's going to be the first thing? Hold on. There we go. I kind of wanted to slide it all out. See, I got some new discs here and a couple of sticker books here. Alright. Alright, so let's look at these first. Set that to the side. Okay, so we have a sticker book, the accessory book, and it says it's 503 pieces. Okay. Oops. Oh, that came off of here. Okay. Alright. So these look like sticky notepads. I know I can just tear that off. Okay, got that, and then there's some post-its, or like post-it notes today. Okay, get those, and then you have some stickers. It's very springy. So let's keep that going. Nice. I don't usually do bright colors, but I was curious about this particular bag. Okay. Let's see what that says. This is cute. Maybe this will help me get real creative. And I already have a sticker book that has like some of these in there. So just look at that as extras. And today, some large stickers, gold foil. Some more flower ones. Okay. And these are the little corner stickers. Like that. I really like that. And then there's that one. Nice. I hate that that came off of there like that, but okay. Then next is pressed florals, and I believe I have this one already. Let me look. Yep, I have this one already. So this matches that perfectly. I have this one already, so it came with this. Alright. And then next, alright, got some medium size disc here with the smiley face. And then some medium discs with like an asterisk or something. It looks kind of flowery pink. I don't have pink or yellow disc. Alright, so let's see here. May have something in these like cards. Hold on. Put this over here. Cards. If I can get them out of here. Hold on. There we go. Yes. Like little note cards. Let me see, does it say what it is? Yeah, happy notes. That's what it is, and it has two different designs. So let's see. The pink one says life is sweet, and you can just write little notes in here. And this is just floral, which these should also be blank inside. And then little gold stickers to seal them up. The envelopes, and here are the envelopes. Okay. And put these back in here. Let's see how many is in there, because that's quite a bit. So I'm going to put this back on. Okay, and you get, it's 20 note cards, 20 lined envelopes, 10 of each of 2 designs, and then you get the little stickers to seal them up with. Okay, next you get a pen case. This is my first one from the Happy Planner. Pretty roomy. And you can see that it snaps in. Let's see here, it says, I'm going to cut this little, okay. Don't wait for sunshine, be the sunshine. Absolutely. Like that. And then, let's see, what am I going to do next? These are half letter, okay, half sheet paper. You can write little notes on it, or you can use them, you know, whatever day. You can write a little note that you need for whatever particular day. Okay. It has like your top 3 priorities for the day, or the top 3 things you need to do for that day. This, and then it'll say tomorrow, which you can see, whoops, which you can see right here, and then it's lined on the back. Okay, that's nice. What am I going to go to next? Alright. I need this for sure. Okay. The Happy Planner sticker book storage. Yeah, that's nice. And I won't open this up, but I'm just looking at how you can seal it up and everything. Yeah, I need that. This is nice. Put that on my shelf. Then next we're gonna look at this. So it also came with vertical layout Happy Planner 12 months undated. And cut this. I'll get scissors. Get my scissors here. Kind of like to save this part. Make bookmarks with them. This off. So technically you're getting like 3 sets of disc. Okay, be your own kind of happy. This is what the inside looks like. Then you have your main page. Now undated, but I guess, well, now usually, this is weird, usually they have the dates on here. I don't know why they're blank, but I have a label maker so I can, or maybe I use them for something else. I'm surprised this is not, they don't have the months on here, because normally it does. But, got me a vertical planner, currently page, positivity is my superpower. See, it's undated. I have date stickers, so I'm not worried about that. Vertical. Then you get how many weeks? Let's see here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably 5 weeks. Okay, it's nice. Alright, and then this is what the dividers look like. So you can, with it being undated, obviously you can choose what month you want to start this in. So you can start this at any point in time. I will be starting mine for this month, February. I think I'm just going to do like decoration or layouts or something in here. I'll figure it out. But I did want a vertical. Goal, plan, evaluate, repeat. Celebrate the simple things. No wording, just a design. You are entirely up to you. This is true. Hello to a happy life. And another one that's just a design, no words. Same here. And this says trust your creativity. I really like this one. Smile today. And I believe that is all. Let's see. And then you can just get a dot grid. No page in the back. Nice. Alright, so close this up. Then you get, what is this? Planner Companion Accessories. And there's a bracelet right there. See? That's cute. Hope you guys can see this. Okay, that's cute. So let me see. Let's see what's all in here. Okay. So here's the bracelet. Hope you can see that. Be happy. Wear this bracelet as a reminder to bloom with grace. Then, I think this is my first planner accessory kit. So let's see what's in here. Alright. Oh, well, I can put this probably. I'll probably use this one in my budget planner because I'm gonna need a folder in there. I don't know yet. We'll see. Alright, so sticker page, sticker notes here. Some more flowery stems, note pages. Let's see here. So we got lined notes right here. And then this looks like weekly. Let me see what does the thing say. Okay, so these are, oh, this says note sheets. Both of these are obviously the note sheets. Then you get okay, I wasn't expecting that to be hard to go back in there. I don't want to mess it up. It's getting caught on something in here. Okay, there we go. This here, let's stick this in here. And then on this side, this wasn't glued very tight, so I'm going to have to re-glue that. You get these snap-in envelopes. Close like this, and that's the slot right here. Close like this. I think I was in frame. So snap-in little envelopes. You put stickers or whatever. Sticky notes in there, sticky note pads. Then you get a larger one. Same concept. Then you get, alright, let's see what this is. Just like dashboards. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's what those are. 2 of those. And then this is like a wet erase board, what you call it, dashboard. It has the mount right there, so you can just use this probably like every day, and you know, put your schedule on here, make notes on it. And you could just use like a what I would use. I have a Sharpie fine point, or probably any kind of marker or whatever you can use on here, and you just clean it with like alcohol and cotton swab or something like that, and that'll clean that off. This is nice. This is my first one of these as well. Alright, so stick those back in there. Put these back. And put that back. Alright. So this is really nice. So you get all of this. And you just go to their website. I'll leave my link below with a code so that you can get a discount on your first order, Happy Planner order. Look at all of this. These, the notebook, the notes here. You get a sticker book. You get a 12-month planner. And you get a bag to put all of that in. And you get this as well. Very nice, very nice. It's been a while since I've ordered something like this. They used to have the Happy boxes, and it used to be like $40, and you can order that. But they have changed some of the things that they have now. But like I said, I just wanted to come on real quick and do this and show you guys what I got. So if you stay to the end, thank you so much. And if you have not hit that notification button yet, go ahead and hit it one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a brand new video. Until next time, bye bye.